Ito pala yung part 1 ng ating video sa Bayawas or Bistondo, Pangasinan na umabot ng 11K views at 237 react. At yung request ni Cap na music pero na-copyright, ulitin natin siya. Dahil may nag-request na i-adjust natin ang bilis para iwas copyright. At ito na nga ang part 2, enjoy watching.
You look at me, baby, wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul, the California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all choked up but I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, boats turn right. We don't know how to rhyme, but damn we try. But all I really know, you're where I wanna go. The boy I mean of you, I'm gonna die. So when I'm all choked up and I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, I wanna be just a little bit, baby. When I'm all choked up and I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. When you look at me and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way.
Lagi kitang naiisip, maging sa aking parang inip. Di na nais na makita at makausap kahit saglit. Umaasa na palagi yakap at kapiling kita. Di mo ba alam na ikaw ang pangarap ko? Damdamin ko ay di magbabago. Di ko kayang limutin ang tulad mo. Sana'y malaman mo ito. Di mo ba alam na ikaw lang sa puso ko? Lahat gagawin kung para sa'yo. Paglimot ay wala sa isipan ko. Basta't ako'y maghihintay kung para sa'yo. Kapag ikaw ay kasama, langit sa puso ang nadarama, at tunay na kaibigan. Ang sandali kong mayayakap ko, umaasa na palagi yakap at kapiling kita.
There's a lover's moon tonight. As I look back over my shoulder, all the stars are shining bright, just like the night when I used to hold her. She's out there somewhere under the lover's moon. Lover's moon wants to shine on me, and dancing with the memories I wish I made.